Now, here are 8 brutal reverse psychology methods that makes a woman chase you as a man. Listen to me, gentlemen. If you want a woman to respect you, if you want a woman to want you, always want you, if you want a woman to run after you and be scared to lose you, stop acting like a hungry dog waiting for chips. The minute you're always around, like a free Wi Fi, she stops seeing your worth. That is it. I hope you know. I hope you are aware. She stops seeing your worth. A woman doesn't treasure what she can have whenever she wants. She treasures what she has to work for. So here is the real talk. If you want her to want you with her whole heart, her whole mind, and her whole soul, you have to learn reverse psychology. This isn't about playing games, it is about knowing your value. And weak men won't like this because it takes guts. It takes guts. So now, here are the ruthless methods that separate kings from puppies. Number one, be hard to get. Be hard to get, not rude, just busy. Don't pretend, be genuinely busy. Building yourself, building your money, building your body, building your mind. A man with nothing going on has no pull. If she can text anytime and get an answer in seconds, you are not a man to her. You are a comfort blanket. Make your time count. She will start counting the minutes till she gets it. Get it? Two, stop explaining everything. Stop it. Men who over explain look scared, like they are afraid she will leave if she doesn't get there. Say what you mean what you say. If she pushes, don't fold. Women test you to see if you will crack. The second you start begging her to understand, you have shown your weakness. Strong men don't beg, they stand still. Number three, don't run after her. Let her come to you. The man who can walk away without shaking is the man she will remember. If she pulls back, don't pull harder. Let her go. Don't call, don't chase. Because here is the truth. Women don't fear losing men who beg. Are you aware? They fear losing men who can replace them. That fear brings back everything. It brings them back every time. Number four, give attention but not too much. Don't feed her your time every single day. If you give too much, she gets bored, like eating the same meal over and over. Treat your attention like something precious. She should feel your absence more than your presence. That's when she starts missing you and reaching out first. You get it? Five, keep her guessing. Don't be too easy to read. If she knows your every move, she owns it. She can control you with it. But if she can't figure you out, you stay on her mind. And what stays on her mind grows into attachment. You don't have to act crazy. Just be. Just don't be unpredictable. Change your tone. Change your pace. Keep her curious. Always. Six, never tolerate disrespect, not even one. The moment she talks down to you and you let it slide, you've taught her that it is okay to do it again over and over. Women don't listen to words, they listen to what you accept. That's women for you. If she steps out of line, pull back. Don't argue, don't yell, just disappear for a while. Silence says more than 1,000 angry words. You should know about it. Seven, let her know she's not your only option. A woman values you more when she knows other women see something in you. Are you aware? Not because you cheat, but because you carry yourself like a man who has choices. If she thinks nobody wants you, she will relax and take you for granted. But if she senses competition, she will hold on tighter. People fight for what others want. Are you aware? 8, grow so much. that she worries about losing you. Take this one seriously. This is the final punch. Work on yourself until you are strong. You're so strong. You're so sharp. You're so solid that she asks herself, can I really keep him? That's when her behavior changes. That's when she starts trying harder. Not because you asked for it, but because your life became a gift she doesn't want to lose. A woman doesn't run after a man who needs her. She runs after a man who doesn't need her, but still picks her. So stop being soft. Stop being desperate. Stop giving forever treatment to women who haven't shown they deserve it. Be rare, be sharp, be solid, be someone she's scared to lose. And watch her go from I don't know to please stay. You know, women always say, I don't know.